What's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and today is super special day because this is my first ever diecast content here on my page. So lately lang ako nahilig sa pagko-collect ng Hot Wheels, ng Tomica, ng Mini GT. So tara, samahan niyo ako dito sa bagong journey ko. So for our unboxing part 1, we're starting with something clean, sporty, and detailed. The Tomica Subaru BRZ R&D Sport worth 529, no. Isa siyang premium ni Tomica, so let's get into it. So here's the box. Classic Tomica packaging, simple pero classy. And now let's unbox this. So lang tayo ng pambutas, no? Wala pa tayong cutter, so susi muna ng motor kung sana masira yung box. Ayun, yun lang, naka-tape. Dapat pala dito tayo nagsimula.
One eternity later.
Basta yung gusto ko kay Tomica, yung mga parang mga sporty, no? Mga pangkarera. So buksan natin. Tabi mo natin dito yan. So ito siya, no? Wow, check that out. Ang linis ng details, grabe. Wow, the paint finish is smooth. The decals are sharp, and the body lines look really close to the real Subaru BRZ R&D Sport. Even the tiny parts like the headlights, the grille, and the rear wing, solid craftsmanship for such a small diecast. Look at that.
Nice.
So if you're a Subaru fan or Tomica collector, sulit talaga tong 529 sa premium, no? So nice weight. Mas mabigat siya kumpara sa Hot Wheels kasi talaga. So yun, nice proportions and definitely display worthy. Bilan nyo lang ng magandang display case to. So since this is my first diecast video, no, expect more unboxing, hauls, and close-up reviews coming soon. So if you enjoyed this one, don't forget to like, follow, and share for more content. See you on the next unboxing. Peace.